Hello, and welcome to another episode. I sit ceremoniously on a little bucket, so let's go. This is my 1972 XLCH 1000 Ironhead Sportster. Yes, you guessed it, it's a kickstart only, and it's been much fun to build. Let's get to it. I bought this little bike, as you can see on the video. It was all painted black, all the engine covers were solid black. It was running a makeover carburetor, and pretty much the electrical work was just a dog's dinner. It was just cables everywhere. We were just going overseas, so I was very keen on at least getting the bike started and seeing that she runs, as the guy promised that the engine's running next time. And it took me a very long time to figure out the timing and just get her puffing for a little bit. I bought it as a little project. It needed just tidying a few things up and she would be good to go. But when the bike arrived, to be fair, I was almost in tears. I don't know, it was just... shiny black, black forks, everything what could be blacked out was black except the engine. Yeah, I don't know. So once I got her started, I was happy to go away. And then when we came back, I started stripping everything down. I pulled down all the wiring, stripped it all out, and started again. When I have taken out the covers and start stripping all the black down back to aluminium. You can see on the pictures now how much black was on there. So I took the covers off and then used a whole bunch of chemical strippers to remove all the black. The only black I left was the oil tank and the heads. I think overall look, when even the front fork and the whole fork, triple trees, and a brake caliper was all pitch black, that made a huge difference. I just double checked all the timing, all the valves, and funnily enough, I have found the tappets were really wobbly, so I measured it with my ruler and found out that they were actually so worn out that they ended up being a little drum little oval cylinders rather than perfect circles. So are wrong, but after a closer inspection, it was the risers. I don't know what they're called. What is the official name for them? So I ordered those, replaced them, and it was better. Electronic timing had the broken wires, so I dremeled all the aluminium out and the old resin and resoldered new wires and put it back together. Same as with my 1970, I got the motor gadget unit in and wired in. Ooh, it's dark, dark, dark. My first progress in wiring. We got a front light. What? And we got a rear light. What? And we have a horn. And we have a front left indicator. There. And a right indicator. Oh, can't figure out how to change the beams, but I'll get there. And then once I had the wiring done and electronic done, then she came back to life. Progress, progress, progress. Figure out my handlebar switch for the brake light. There we go, it all works. And also figure out the high beam. Whoa! Exciting! Now here's my timing. There's my test light rigged into the coils, and if I advance my unit, it comes on, which means the spark is on. Problem is that whoever made the unit, I don't know what's going on, but look where the mounting points are. See that? It would probably be best in this position. And you see the light? Oop, I just slipped. Light comes on, but I'm out of the hole. What do I do? It took me a little bit of a time to figure out how to do the proper timing with the electronic stuff. I couldn't get her sorted, I had it all wrong. I had the wrong ideas how to use a little light, which I have soldered as a little timing unit. I had it all backwards. I tried to run points, and then I reverted back to the electronic timing once I fixed it, and finally I figured it out how to get it done. Yeah, but the biggest difference with the points versus the electronic timing is that when you set up the points, you set up the points on the advance mark on the flywheel, and then when you're doing the electronic ignition, you set it up at the top dead center, which can cause problems, as you would imagine. Once I figured it out, she fired first time. And also it's quite funny, if the timing's right, she will start on the first kick. And when I'm stubborn, to just keep kicking until I get her going, and after 100 kicks and bruised knees, she still doesn't go. It's dumb, but you learn the hard way. For a paint scheme, I decided to go kind of in my head old school. I really like the idea of a cream and red. I bought proper make pinstriping brushes, so I have painted her cream and red, and then I have a gold pinstripe going backwards, going along the lines, and then gold free-handed logo of the Harley in it, and then I run the two pinstripes in cream and red along the gold, just to give it a little bit of support. And yeah, that was much fun. I really enjoyed working with the brushes. I'd like to do that more in the next project. So yeah, that's it.